Hello YouTube. This is the Roberts Mark V portable ship horn. It's a little project of mine I've had going on over the past year and a half maybe. Slowly improving on the design. Pretty simple actually. The main part, the motor, approximately 6-inch diaphragm, polycarbonate diaphragm. A little spring tension on the back to help things out. Piece of vacuum cleaner pipe, a funnel, and a hanging tomato planter, I think this was, and an air tank from old compressor. And I think right now I'm reaching like the limits of the motor design. It's loud, and whatever I do with the throat of it, it's not getting no louder. If I build anything else, it'll probably have a bigger motor on the end of it just to go for some really low notes. It's pretty loud as is though. Give you a quick toot here. Aimer down the valley, North Thompson. Likes to blow at like 100 pounds or so. Anything higher than that I just blow through. I can still hear it going down. Give her one more. And there you have it. The Roberts Mark V portable.